I'm here at La Quinta for the project Fundación Nana Viva in Andalusia, Spain, in Genalguacil. You can see the mountains behind me, and I'm just in the shade of a beautiful chestnut tree here behind me, a younger one actually. There's some really, really old ones on site. There's an almond tree just here beside me. We've got some citrus, and then we've got a fig right here, another fig there, and a plum. Big plum right beside us. This is a project, all kinds of different initiatives, creating fibers, natural dyes, growing food, and permaculture in many different ways. Passive water irrigation is one of the biggest tricks that we are pulling here on this property because it's a wet, dry Mediterranean tropics, subtropical, and the rains come all at once, and then it's dry for many, many months. Stay tuned if you want to see how this project grows. I'm Graham Calder, teaching and designing permaculture since 2009. 10 different countries, well, 11 different countries now. Like and subscribe.